Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Turkish Academy YouTube channel. In this lesson we are going to learn the three cases of Turkish nouns. Let's start. In Turkish, nouns change their endings depending on movements. Think of it as a journey. Are you staying there, coming from there, or going towards there? We use three basic suffixes based on two-way vowel harmony. If you see a, I, o, u, it has to be a. If you say e, I, ö, ü, it has to be e. Let's see the cases. Marketten, from the market. Markette, at the market. Markete, to the market. If you say evden, it means from home. If you say evde, it means at home. If you say eve, it means to home. Office, ofisten, from office. Ofiste, at office. Office, to office. Market, marketten, from market. Markette, at market. Markete, to market. Hastane, hospital. Hastaneden, from hospital. Hastanede, at hospital. Hastaneye, to hospital. Sinema, sinemadan, from cinema. Sinemada, in the cinema. Sinemaya, to cinema. Mert, sabah evden erken çıkıyor musun? Evet Elena, sabah evden erken çıkıyorum ve direkt ofise geliyorum. Gün boyu ofiste çalışıyorum. Sen şimdi nereden geliyorsun? Ben şimdi marketten geliyorum. Akşam sinemaya gidiyorum. Sen de geliyor musun? Çok isterdim ama akşam hastaneye gidiyorum. Babam kontrolde. Mert, do you leave home early in the morning? Yes, Elena. I leave home early in the morning and go straight to the office. I work in the office all day. Where are you coming from now? I'm coming from the market. I'm going to the cinema tonight. Are you coming too? I would love to, but I'm going to the hospital tonight. My father is having a checkup. The buffer Y for destination. Sinemaya değil, sinemaya. When a word ends with a vowel like cinema, hastane, banka, üniversite, and you want to say to, like ae, two vowels cannot sit next to each other. We must use a protective Y as a bridge. We can't say sinema. We should say sinemaya. We can't say üniversite. We should say üniversiteye. Suffixes and verbs are married. In Turkish, verbs choose the suffix. You cannot use any suffix with any verb. The verb gitmek, to go, and gelmek, to come, always want a dative, a. Ofise gidiyorum. The verb çıkmak, to exit, always wants ablative, dan. Evden çıkıyorum. The verb kalmak, to stay, always want locative, da. Otelde kalıyorum. Now we are learning how to share our address in Turkish and how to give basic directions to someone on the street. We will use our locative case da to state where we live. Şehir, city, İzmir'de yaşıyorum. I live in İzmir. Mahalle, neighborhood, Esenköy mahallesinde oturuyorum. I live in Esenköy neighborhood. Cadde, Main Street, Atatürk Caddesi'nde, on Atatürk Street. Sokak, street, 10. sokakta, on 10th Street. Bina, apartman, building, Yıldız Apartmanı, No 5. Daire, apartment number, daire 3. Adres nasıl yazılır? How to write an address. Darıca Mahallesi, Atatürk Caddesi, Darıca Neighborhood, Atatürk Street, Nur Sitesi, numara 13 Taksim 27, 35.600, Karşıyaka, İzmir. İleriye git, go forward. Sola dön, turn left. Sağa dön, turn right. Geriye dön, turn back. Market sağda. The market is on the right. Postane solda. The post office is on the left. Sağ means right. Sol means left. Yakın means close. Uzak means far. Önünde means in front of. Arkasında means behind. Altında means under. Üstünde means on. Yanında means next to. Elena is looking for an address on the street and asks Mert. Affedersin Mert, Anıl Mühendislik Şirketi nerede? Anıl Mühendislik Şirketi mi? Çok yakın. İleriye git, sonra sağa dön. Şirket caddede mi yoksa sokakta mı? Şirket Atatürk Caddesi'nde. Hemen solda kalıyor. Çok teşekkür ederim. Rica ederim. İyi günler. Excuse me Mert, where is Anıl Engineering Company? Anıl Engineering, very close. Go straight ahead, then turn right. Is the company on the main street or on an alley? The company is on Atatürk Street. It is immediately on the left. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a good day. The proper noun compound buffer. Mahallesinde. When you add the locative case D'da to a neighborhood, street or avenue name like Çamlıca Mahallesi, it is a noun compound. Turkish requires a protective n before adding the suffix and we separate it with an apostrophe. Examples: Çamlıca Mahallesi'nde, Atatürk Mahallesi'nde. Formal commands for directions. Gidin, dönün. In daily life, we usually talk to strangers politely. In the dialogue, instead of saying sağa dönün by adding in, ün, formal, we used sağa dön, informal, polite. Sağa dönün is polite, turn right. Sağa dön is impolite, turn right. Sola dönün is polite, turn left. Sola dön is impolite, turn left. Let's continue with the final boss of part 2. In English, you use the word the to specify a specific object. Example, I'm drinking water versus I am drinking the water. In Turkish, we don't have a separate word for the. Instead, we attach the accusative suffix ı, i, u, ü to the object. Specific versus general. General object without suffix. Ben su içiyorum. I'm drinking water. Ben suyu içiyorum. I'm drinking the water. Mert araba alıyor. Mert is buying a car. Mert arabayı alıyor. Mert is buying the car. Kitap okuyorum. I'm reading a book. Kitabı okuyorum. I'm reading the book. If the last vowel of the object is a or ı, suffix will be ı. Kapıyı, kitabı. Kapıyı açıyorum. I'm opening the door. Kitabı okuyorum. I'm reading the book. If the last vowel of the object is e or i, suffix will be i. Defteri, pencereyi. Defteri satıyorum. I am selling the notebook. Pencereyi kapat. Close the window. If the last vowel of object is o or u, suffix will be u. Paltoyu, çocuğu. Paltoyu giyiyorum. I'm wearing the coat. Çocuğu seviyorum. I love the child. If the last vowel of object is ö or ü, suffix will be ü. Ütüyü, sütü, ütüyü alıyorum. I'm taking the iron. Sütü içiyorum. I'm drinking the milk. Mert, salon çok güzel ama çok eşya var. Haydi temizlik yapalım. Haklısın Elena. Ben masayı ve televizyonu temizliyorum. Sen ne yapıyorsun? Ben de camı açıyorum, odayı havalandırıyorum. Sonra kahve yapıyorum. Harika. Ben kahveyi çok seviyorum. O zaman önce iş, sonra kahve. Mert, the living room is beautiful, but there is so much stuff in it. Let's clean. You are right, Elena. I'm cleaning the table and the television. What are you doing? I'm opening the window to air out the room. Then I'm making coffee. Great, I love coffee. Then first the work, then the coffee. The buffer Y for objects. Kapı değil kapıyı. If the object ends with a vowel like kapı, pencere, araba, kutu, you must use the protective Y before adding the accusative suffix. Let's see the examples. You can't say kapı. You should add letter Y between them and you should say kapıyı. You can't say pencereyi. You should again add letter Y and you should say pencereyi. The PÇTK transformation, kitap becomes kitabı, ağaç becomes ağacı, çocuk becomes çocuğu. Thanks for watching until here. See you in the next lesson. Görüşürüz.